Megbilib lareng delegado iba king Regional Development Bank, king Sri Lanka, king banking programs ning Guagua Rural Bank kasabi ning pamagbisita dareti king Pilipinas para king meto nga international exposure visit. Rekomendado na ning Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas ing GR Bank kabilang kano kareng ating best practices particular king SME ang pang rural financing ay ning balita ng Patricia Mamangon.
40 delegado iba't king Regional Development Bank o ing Peka Maragula State Development Bank ing Sri Lanka ing binisita king Guagua Rural Bank kanyang Webis. Rekomendado niya kasi ning Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas ing GR Bank bilang metong karembangko ng ating best practices karas king micro, small and medium enterprises ampong rural financing king mabilog a bansa. Makapailalami pa magbisita da ring Sri Lankan king international exposure visit parikil kareng banking programs ampong interventions apeni mo na ning Asia Pacific Rural and Agricultural Credit Association o APRACA. Billy B. Bodi Wihenanda, Chairman ng Regional Development Bank kareng paralan at programa ni GR Bank karas king pamagpasikan kareng mga halating negosyo at nung makanano makasawb king ekonomiya.
I think that's in our experience in Sri Lanka, rural bank banks same, but in this country. CR Bank is the very most improvement bank. I think that. Therefore, in the statistics, you are very close MSMEs. In our experience, most of them, we are the government bankers, but most of private banks as a CR Bank is the very warm, very good bank and get to they are shake hands in your MSME, SME, MSME, economy and rural area. Yeah. Yesterday.
Saludo yan naman ng Senior Management Officer king pamag-istimanda kliyente ring empleyado ning mesabing bangko.
Your service is the most close to customer. That's the best way, I think, in your bank. Yeah. You came your premises, your staff members gave their shake hands. I think all of the country members, they are gave that. That's the I get experience in my Sri Lanka.
Ing APRACA, ing international organization, akabibilangan da ring Central Bank, Agricultural Banks, Development Banks, at aliwa pang financial institutions king Asia Pacific Region. Manuel Lesira Juarez, Managing Director ning APRACA, na kailangan lang mipapanantabi ring miyaya liwang bangko bang mipanyaw karen trainings, best practices, ampong technology, bang apaunlad ing industriyang pangpinansya.
Yung kahalagahan niya, sobrang napakahalaga. Because you don't do exposure visit for nothing. It's really more of one of the modality right now to learn best practices. And why? Because the group is in here, ibig sabihin po nun, the GR Bank really has something to showcase that's among the best practices on rural banks actually in the Philippines. So we have seen, of course, as to soundness, as to particularly, of course, their customer service. You look at, of course, some of the other criterias that the other banks are operating. They really do, of course, showcase the best.
Keti adi din lang kebalwan regaliwang bangko na munlad at apatas ing kalidad ning serbisyo kareng kliyenti. Ing micro, small and medium enterprises, ing metong kareng tututukan ning GR Bank, nung nukarin mamya iting financial assistance kareng kabalen amag nasang mitalakad sariling negosyo. Reti kasi reng sektora sasaklo king maragula porsyento ning ekonomiya at mamya kapanintunan kareng kapampangan. Masuelo Jose Antonio Blas Carlos, presidente ning GR Bank, nakikilalanan ning BSP, ing estilo ning operasyon ning bangko.
Dengan Bangko Keti Pilipinas, under la supervision ng Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas, at ila baluda nung sano din ng Bangko Masalese, ampong pwedeng magsilbing modelo para kareng best practices keng banking.
Makabuklat siya naman ni Carlos na midake kebalwan kareng kaparang bangko keti at kilwal ning bansa bang antabayanan lareti king banking industry.
So open niya ing GR Bank para kareng mialiwang bank association, ang organizations na bisang pabiyasa mo naman tungkol keng best banking practices keng kakatamong bangko po kay ang banking industry kay Pilipinas.
Ako po, Patricia Mamangon para King News Force, Pampanga, Balitang Tutuking Balen, Susuyo.